Hello friends, welcome to another video on Excel tutorial. In today's video, we will see how to create a bar graph using some data. Okay, so let us start the video. First of all, you are having a table, name, height and weight. You should be having a minimum at least one data to create a bar graph. Okay, how to do? Just select this table, go to insert, select this bar chart, select anyone whichever you want. I will select this one. This kind of chart will appear. Okay, you are having the names in x-axis, the height and weight are in y-axis. Okay, now adjust this title, write name and name and weight, sorry, height and weight. Okay, now you just make a fine tune. You need to have axis title, primary, horizontal and primary axis title. Okay, now here you type numbers and here you type name. Okay, now go again to chart element, then go here, this the chart it already is given, remove the guidelines, then give these data labels wherever you want. I will go on outside. Like this you found a bar graph. I hope you found a easy way to understand the how to create a bar graph. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.